Welcome to my Academy of the Future. At PSB Academy, we have access to 2 campuses, and now we're here at City Campus at Marina Square.
It spans 2 stories and is right in the heart of the city.
Our campuses were intentionally designed with lots of communal spaces, both for study and to just chill between or after classes.
The Hive is where students can approach our staff for assistance, such as academic support, student life activities, and career advice. With so many university partners from the UK, Australia, and New Zealand, and a myriad of programs to choose from,
we need all the help we can get.
Our campuses have facilities that provide us with practical preparation for our future careers.
My peers and I, from Media Communication and Studies, get to use the TV and radio studios for our projects, working with lecturers who come with the industry experience.
Our MBA Rooms feature curved seating for seminar-style discussions, with equipment for video conferencing and recording, breaking down the boundaries of a traditional classroom.
While we have extensive online libraries to serve our textbook and revision needs, our Learning Resources Centre here is an additional resource we can use between classes.
As for our lessons, some of them are held in lecture theatres like this, where we sometimes hold student performances and large-scale presentations as well. For smaller tutorials, each of our classrooms have writable walls for breakout or interactive discussions and wireless display technology. Overseas guest speakers can even interact with the class through video conference.
On top of hard skills and strong foundational knowledge, we pride ourselves in developing holistic leadership skills in our students.
we participate in student-run clubs and associations, as well as career readiness workshops or talks related to their disciplines. And outside of that, some recreational time at the eateries and shops around campus is a great way to unwind and catch up with friends.
But that's not all we do outside of class or campus.
We often have industry visits to places like the Google and Facebook office, newsrooms, and even engineering factories, so students are exposed and can learn what to expect from their future workplace.
And speaking of factories, our STEM campus was built to churn out industry-ready STEM talent like me, who will be contributing in the science, technology, engineering and mathematics sectors in Asia.
Spaces in STEM campus are carefully designed to encourage students to test out their new ideas through experimentation and prototyping. Like our engineering lab and fluid mechanics lab that give folks like me the chance to learn using precision engineering equipment.
Many of our labs feature see-through glass panels, which provide more open concept environments for our learning. Our life sciences and chemistry labs were designed by academics on the back of more than 10 years of experience in delivering top quality life and chemical science education in Singapore. Lab work can take up to 30% of a program's curriculum, so students can expect to be well versed in techniques and instrumentation used in the real world.
And what's a computer science or IT student without his computer? We've got labs across both campuses to facilitate the online learning and necessary software training for different disciplines.
My classmates and I in the sports science programs have the opportunities to test 3D cameras fitted in the sports science lab. This is where we do practical workshops to learn and test concepts in sports performance analysis, 3D motion analysis by studying gait and movement.
Would you like to pay us a visit?
We're close to 6 MRT stations. The city campus is minutes away from City Hall, Promenade and Esplanade MRT stations. Our STEM campus is close to Braddell, Toa Payoh and Caldecott stations.
Your future can start right here